Another Class C.
Yep. Love
All right. Yeah, these are great.
So 2023 Forester MBS 2401B.
Okay.
So you are on the
Titan.
DuraShield Titan. Yep. So this is, I don't know, this is pewter gray.
Sounds
I
good
want
to
to
me.
call the color. I don't know. Anyway, you're on the Mercedes-Benz chassis, so you have the diesel underneath there for the good miles per liter, and then but diesel underneath the hood, two-wheel drive. You're not four-wheel drive like the fancy Class B we showed a little bit earlier or later. I don't know where we're at in the schedule. And then awesome cockpit in here.
Scare you?
Yeah, a little bit.
I thought I shut it. I did not.
Awesome cockpit. We'll show a little bit better view from the inside there. Outside TV, of course, that he was showing us. And a little bit of storage.
I'm showing you just by pointing to it. I don't even say anything. I just point and let you figure out what it is.
Awesome underneath their storage. And, of course, it's all waterproof with a nice little drain plug. So that way when you forget to close up the pop and it explodes, you can clean it out easy.
Yep. I like the idea also that for like tailgating, get your TV out here, just throw some ice in there, throw your drinks in there. You can pop the thing and let it drain itself.
That's a better idea than just what I do, which is make a mess and clean it out.
Yeah.
So.
All right. So the awning, the sound system out here.
JBL
everything
speakers,
you come to
of
expect.
course. Yep.
Let's get inside.
Absolutely.
See the guts. That's a lockbox there underneath the step I see.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
Keep all your valuables and everything right by the door, right where you want it.
Yeah.
So.
All right. So you get up here, get inside. Again, plenty of living space for the fact that it's it's one contained vehicle.
Yep. Of course, no walls in this specific unit. With it being the B model, you have a standard bed instead of the Murphy bed. Theater seating. You can option this for a dinette, I believe.
Okay.
12-volt refrigerator, pretty standard throughout all campers pretty much now. So it keeps everything nice and cool.
Mm-hmm.
Easy access to the bathroom. No oven, but you get the microwave down there. Of course, it's convection, so you can cook your potatoes.
So you're looking at storage above, below. You got some over here, on the side here. That's just the kitchen and living area.
Yep.
Looks like more in the bedroom.
Solid surface countertops, and of course, a nice circle sink.
It's sharp.
Yep.
Yeah.
And one thing I like too, because it is on the Mercedes chassis, they try to keep everything nice and fancy. Wireless charging throughout the camper. There it goes. Keep
awesome.
everything nice. JBL sound system throughout. Nice big queen bed. Plenty of storage throughout the back there in the bedroom.
Let's open it up and show. There you go. Fairly deep enough too. Deep enough to hang clothes up there.
Yep.
Yeah.
TV right behind you too, so that way it comes with the TVs in this model.
It does come with the TVs?
Yep,
Okay.
comes with the TVs, so that way you don't have to go out and purchase anything. This is ready to camp as soon as you hit the road.
And then behind you, you got a little shelf built into behind the cabinet there. Looks like, I don't know if it closes off and that's separate, or you put your CPAP or whatever you need to put in there.
Absolutely.
Keep your phone back in there.
And then, of course, we're going to quit hiding the secret from you. Here's the bathroom. I'll step.
Coming out.
I want to trap you back there.
There you go. I'll let you get in there.
I'm in here with a bucket. That's why I had to squeeze. But full-size shower. Of course, I'm 6'2", 300 pounds. I'm a little bit bigger. But easily enough headroom. Easy enough to move around. And, of course, still close the door. Porcelain toilet in this motorhome. Still easy enough to move around inside of this bathroom. Nice little sink. Vanity to hold all your toiletries and everything. Plenty of cabinet space below here.
Towel rack built onto the back of the door.
Yep. Forgot about the towel rack there. And, of course, it keeps everything nice and dry, too. It's not bunching them up.
Yeah. It's great. Was that your boot?
Yeah, that was my boot.
Okay, good.
It's not because I had to use the bathroom. It was my boot.
I'm not even sure that sound came out, but if it did come up if you could hear it, it was disgusting. Glad it was your boot. Of course, you've got your cockpit down here, and then you drop this down to give yourself another bed. There you go, and your ladder will obviously hook up onto there. Sleep up there and watch some television. Close this off if you need some privacy.
nice modern Mercedes-Benz chassis. Now, one thing I haven't mentioned with these Mercedes-Benz, if I haven't talked about it, or one of the other salesmen that came out here, if say you know, with our nationwide service network, you can get service all across the nation, of course. But say you do go down to South America on one of your extended vacations, these Mercedes-Benz chassis, you can get parts for them, say down in South America, Mexico, all the way up into Canada, northern Canada, stuff like that.
Okay.
Or say you send it across to Europe or something like that. There's Mercedes-Benz dealerships over there. So that's one of the benefits to these chassis. Aside from it being a diesel and getting better gas mileage, is, you know, if there's a part that goes out and you're in South America, there's a dealership over there. You can run there, grab the part.
So any Mercedes-Benz dealership would have
Parts for the chassis, motor, all that fun stuff. So
that's cool.
that is one of the benefits to these, is they are an international car dealer. They can get parts for these campers throughout the world, whereas other brands that, you know, have the circle with 4 letters, they may be a little bit tougher to send you a ignition for, say, that camper.
Okay.
So that is a plus for one of these.
Yeah.
That's, you know, sometimes never talked about. If you do go out of the country and travel, it's a plus for one of these campers.
No, this is great. Awesome. A little bit of storage up here, keep stuff from rolling around and falling off the top. Yeah. All right. So there you go. Again, a Class C that you could get into. You could absolutely get into one of these.
Absolutely.
Maybe you see yourself driving down the road in one. We'd love to make it happen for you, so get hold of us.